this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to convert PDF to Google Docs in under 1 minute, so better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First, you want to find the file you want to convert, then open it just to check. It's just an example file, as you can see. Then we go to Google, we look for Google Drive, we just type Google Drive. We go to Google Drive and we click New, then upload file. We upload our file, then we open it. We will see something like this, and we click Open in Google Docs, and just like that our PDF is on Google Docs, and it's editable, and you can write whatever you want on it, and you can select and do anything you want. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.